Today we will discuss about the difference between solution, colloid and suspension. First of all, we see what is a solution. Just see, when you drop put in water, the solution become blue in color. More drop in water, the deep is color. Solution are the homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. Each substance is mixed in such a way that their individual identity is not visible. Such solutions are called true solution. Just see, the particles of true solution are so small that cannot scatter the beam of light. Just see, these are the solution. Just see, particle pass through the solution, so not scatter the beam of light. Next, what is a colloid? These are the solution in which solute particles are large than those present in true solution, but not larger enough to seen by naked eye. इसमें पार्टिकल बड़े होते हैं लेकिन इतने बड़े नहीं होते कि उनको हम आँख से जो है वो देख सकें. फॉर एग्जांपल, the particles of colloid are big enough to scatter the beam of light. It is called Tyndall effect. We can see the path of scattered light beam inside the colloidal solution. So colloidal solution scattered कर देते हैं beam of light को. So this effect is known as Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is defined as scattering the beam of light. For example, colloid जो हैं, they are starch, albumin, blood, jelly, toothpaste and soap solution are the example of colloid. What is a suspension? Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of undissolved particle in a given medium. Particles are big enough to be seen with naked eye and scattered down after some time. इसमें पार्टिकल बहुत बड़े होते हैं और बीम ऑफ लाइट जो है उसको जो है ये ब्लॉक कर देते हैं और आफ्टर सम टाइम दे settle down at the bottom. Particle suspension remain undissolved and settle down after some time. For example, flour in water settle down after some time. Yes, you can see. Example of suspension are chalk in water, paint, milk of magnesia. Comparison of solution, colloid and suspension. First one is particle of solution are simplest, colloid are large consisting of atom ion molecule, and suspension are largest. Second one is particle dissolve, solution particle form homogeneous mixture. Colloid particle appear homogeneous but actually heterogeneous, and suspension particle are form heterogeneous mixture. Solution particle are very small, cannot seen with naked eye. Colloid are large but not enough large, cannot seen with naked eye. Suspension particle can seen with the naked eye. Solute particle easily pass through filter paper solution में, and colloid may also pass through filter paper. Suspension fluid particle cannot pass through the filter paper. Solution particle do not show Tyndall effect. Colloid particles show Tyndall effect, and suspension particles are big and block the light, so do not show Tyndall effect.